Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for this video. It is my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. In today's video, I am going to show you my base box and my premium box. I am also going to show you my Allure box. So I used to have Allure a couple months ago and I got rid of it, but now I kind of want to do battle of the boxes. I'm not really into Ipsy. Maybe in the future I'll try Ipsy, but for now I'm going to do my Boxycharm and my Allure box. Brianna's here, so she'll be handing me my boxes. Okay, so let's start with the base box first. Brie already took out the items. So this is the card. It's called Fresh Start, and this is the, can you see that? That is the box that I have. So the first item in my box is this Persona brush. Now this was actually one of my choice items. This is a blush brush. So you got the blush side here, and then this is meant for highlighter. So it's pretty tiny. I usually like fluffier brushes, so this will be interesting to use. My next video will be me trying on my Boxycharm products. These boxes came really late. Today's the 21st and I got my premium box today. My base box I've had for about a week and a half, but I was waiting for this premium box so I can combine the video. So that's my first item. That brush is $24. The next item is the Velvet Palette by Ciate London. Ooh, it's like a matte type of packaging, so I like that. I like the dusty mauve pink color. And ouch, these are the colors in my box. So they are very shimmery. I think they're all shimmery.
Thus I have a daughter.
Looks like I may have like two. Looks like that one and this one, and maybe, no, not that one, but these two right here look like they are matte, but all others have some type of shimmer in them, so that'll be interesting to use. The next item, and I'm excited for this because I really like pharmacy, and again, I will continue to repeat myself, I really don't buy as much skincare because Boxycharm kills it in the skincare. And skincare is so pricey, so I don't mind paying $25 for my base box for this item right here. So this is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. So this is really exciting. I really like the cleansing balm from Pharmacy, and so I'm excited to give this a go. This is what it looks like. Oh, and guys, I just realized I'm showing you guys this. Let me take this off. That is my ticket inside my job. Forgot to tell you how much the prices are. So that Ciate London palette is $30. Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil is $38. Okay, my next item is this Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Okay, this is what the item looks like. I love coconut. There's a nice, like, kind of minty scent to it. So is it me, or is the, okay, so this is me holding it straight. It's not proportionate. It is very crooked. Do you guys see how, like, it's printed off? Doesn't bother me, but I thought I'd just point that out. Okay, so that Bali Balm is $33. What the heck? Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma. Citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. $33 for that lip balm? Like, That's hella expensive. I really hope it's worth it. The last item is from Dr. Brand, another very pricey skincare line. This is the Triple Peptide Eye Cream. We will give this a shot. This is what the item looks like. And this bad boy is $82. This is why I don't buy skincare. It's so expensive. And good old Boxycharm is giving it to me for 25 bucks a month.
The grand total is $207.
$207 is in that box, and I paid 25 bucks. Okay. Moving on, a big premium box. This one is $35 a month. What did I get, Brie? I really wanted to try this. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Ooh, I'm excited. Dun, dun, dun. So I've heard really great things about this, so I cannot wait to try it. Upgrade your skin to a business class complexion, no matter what time your red eye gets in or what time your head hits the pillow. Wow. So yeah, this is gonna be fun.
It says jet lag. I thought it said jet lag mask.
And how much is that?
$48.
I got this Ofra palette. Oh no.
That's what I said.
It's not cracked, but can you guys see all that powder? It's like fallout, so hopefully it does. They don't look like they're cracked. And these are the colors. I freaking love the Ofra highlighters. They are blinding. So I think the next video you guys see is going to be a try-on video. Unfortunately, I didn't get to do it on this one because I've already had a full day and this box just came in, or it probably came in while I was at work. So, but the next video, I'll try it on for you guys.
What's $39?
My next one was my choice item, and this is the Fenty Pro Filter Retouch Setting Powder, and I got it in the color Butter. Hopefully it's an okay shade for me. Yeah, that looks okay. It looks like, I hope it's more like a translucent powder, but yes, this is from the Rihanna brand. So there you go. That's what the color looks like. And that is the powder.
That was $32.
Ooh, I got a Fenty mascara as well. So I am probably not going to give this a go yet because I have so many open mascaras, and as you guys know, mascaras have around a 3-month shelf life, and I have a lot open right now. So I'll give that a shot as soon as I restock my mascaras.
That was $24.
$24 for that one. What is this? I got this. Get back to your pure self with Silver Pure. Remove makeup with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. So it's like a oh, it's from PMD.
It says
So
it's infused.
Silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. Interesting. It's like a makeup eraser, and I have plenty of makeup erasers. I bought this. I know this is dirty because I use this to wipe off swatches and stuff, but this is, I like using these little mini makeup erasers. I bought a pack of these from Nordstrom's, and I bought another pack from Ulta a while back, and these are actually really good.
That was $30.
That's a $30 cloth. Is this the last item?
Yes.
Okay, and my last item is Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. So this is a cleanser, guys. So yeah, I've never tried anything from Ren, so we'll give it a go. Removes makeup, SPF, and pollution. Interesting. How much is this?
$32.
32 bucks. Okay, so that was it from my premium box. A lot of good skincare. I am not mad about what I got in this box or my base box. I'm really happy with the products, and I love that they are full-size products, that they are actually brands that I will use, brands that I know, and pricey brands at that. So yeah, if you guys are interested, sign up. I don't have any affiliate links yet. I'm a very, very tiny YouTuber. So if you guys would love to support me, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Me and Brianna would really appreciate it. And last but not least, guys, I want to show you my Allure box. So this box used to be $15, and they have actually changed it to now $25. So that is the box. And so yeah, when they changed the pricing, I was like, okay, they're not really full size products, so I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it. But this is my first box back since I resubscribed. I'm gonna give it a shot and see if it's actually worth the $25. If not, then I'll probably cancel again. But yeah, let me show you what I got. First item, Saturday Skin. More skincare. Wow. This is the Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I actually have a sample of this. I'm gonna try. I haven't tried the peel gel yet, so I'm gonna try that before I open this, because if I don't like it, I can donate this. So, but yeah, that's fun. How much is that?
$28.
$28 for that item. Next. Okay, so this is definitely a sample size. This is the L'Occitane. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a serum. When you get Allure, this is what you end up getting. You get a little pamphlet, and it gives you product reviews. It tells you why they were selected, by people that were selected. So yeah, the Saturday Skin, $28, where to buy, Sephora. It gives you so much info, so if you guys can see that. So cool. So this is the L'Occitane. Am I saying it right? I don't know, but yeah, that's the serum I got. Okay, a full size of that is $59. This for sure is a little tiny sample. Okay, next. What the heck is this? Oh my god. Look at this, guys. What is this?
FYI, my mom didn't know what it was used for. I did.
Mini Air Sponge Full Coverage. Base Blue is the brand. So is it like a makeup sponge? I mean, obviously it's a makeup sponge, but it's so tiny. What am I supposed to do with it?
I think concealer.
It's technically a sponge, but this tiny teardrop feels like velvet. The pointed end is perfect for placing concealer in the tiny crevices around my eyes. Then I douse the sponge's tip in water and use it to bounce banana powder over the concealer for a diffused, not cakey finish. I use the rounded end to apply liquid foundation. Dampening the sponge first makes for a light-handed application. Then they are versatile. I've even used the precision end to apply eyeshadow and highlighter on the go. So these are from people who review these products, and that's why they make it on this box. So I'm assuming this is a mini. I'll have to dig in and see if I'll put it up on the screen if this is if there's a full size. But it says the price is $7, and it says where to buy it, basebluecosmetics.com. And then I have a promo code, Allure15 at checkout to receive 15% off your order. So the next item is the Beauty Crop. This is a blush duo. Has black packaging, and let's look at the color inside. Ooh, so it's a cream and powder blush. It looks very deep in color, so I'll probably have to go light-handed. Let's go ahead and swatch this just so that I can feel it. It's pretty soft. Ooh, the creamy one feels really good. And let's swatch it right here. Ready? Ooh, I like that. So my only concern is that this is a sample, I believe. So these are very tiny. I really don't know how I expect to get a brush in either pan. That'll be interesting. The last and final item is from Trulicious. It's a hyaluronic acid vitamin E super moisture lipstick. So that's the box. Trulicious is actually the brand that I received in last month's Boxycharm, the face palette. So it's the first time that I heard of Trulicious. That is what the outer packaging looks like. Nice and white. There you see the brand name. Oh, guys, look at that. You have little wings on it. That's really cool. You can feel it too. And this is the color. Let me go ahead and give this a swatch. Let's do it right here. Ooh, it's very creamy. Very creamy. I like the color. So, yeah, that's a really nice color. It's a color I would wear. That's it. That is all I got from my Allure box. My only concern is I don't know if it's worth $25. I have one full-size item and everything else were samples, and I paid 25 bucks for that. Now the Boxycharm boxes are all full-size products, so take your pick. I will see you guys on my next video trying on some of these products. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, please subscribe, and send me a hi on the comments. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. For those that have subscribed, I appreciate it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.